All AC parts play a big role in keeping your home cool, but protective grates on the condenser are a total game changer because they stop rocks, lawn debris, and even curious pets from wrecking your system. Okay, so these protective grates act like a shield around the condenser unit outside your house. They keep out stuff like flying rocks after mowing the lawn, leaves, sticks, and random dirt that can mess up the fan or coil. Plus, if you've got pets or neighborhood critters, these grates help keep them from climbing in or scratching up the parts. When debris gets inside, it can block airflow and make your AC work harder, which means higher energy bills and faster wear and tear. Cleaning and checking these grates every couple of months is smart to make sure nothing's stuck or broken. Also, if you notice any dents or rust on the grate, fixing or replacing it quickly prevents bigger damage down the line. Keeping your condenser protected helps your whole AC system last longer and run smoother, saving you money on repairs and keeping your home comfy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC condensers is ignoring the protective grates, which leads to damage from rocks or debris hitting the fan blades or coils. Fix this by installing a durable metal grate if yours is missing or damaged. Another common issue is skipping regular maintenance, so dirt and leaves pile up and reduce efficiency. Just clean around your unit once a month to avoid this. Lastly, some folks try to DIY fixes without knowing what parts do what, causing more harm than good. When in doubt, call a pro who knows their stuff. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like AC maintenance and repairs without charging an arm and a leg. Contractors also use the site to connect with people looking for reliable work, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.